Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yoplait yogurt at home. First, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of whole milk and 1/4 cup of plain yogurt with live cultures. Make sure your starter yogurt contains active cultures for proper fermentation. You'll also need a saucepan, a thermometer, and clean jars. Sterilizing your equipment is crucial to ensure a safe and delicious batch of homemade yogurt. Next, pour your whole milk into a clean saucepan and heat it slowly over medium heat. Stir constantly to prevent scorching, bringing the temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step denatures the milk proteins, creating a thicker yogurt. Once it reaches temperature, remove the milk from the heat and let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is vital for the yogurt cultures. Once the milk cools to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add your starter. Gently whisk in 1/4 cup of plain yogurt with live active cultures until fully combined. Pour this mixture into your sterilized jars and cover them tightly. Now, place the jars in a warm spot, like a yogurt maker or an oven with just the light on, to ferment for 6 to 8 hours. This allows the cultures to work their magic. After fermentation, your homemade yogurt is ready for chilling. Transfer the jars to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. This step helps the yogurt thicken and develop its final texture. Once chilled, you can enjoy it plain or customize it with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or crunchy granola. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Yoplait-style yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.